Today I'm going to show you how to change your colorful video to black and white using Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin with, I'm going to take this video from the project bin and drag and drop it to the timeline. So this is the original video with no color adjustment. And now if we want to turn this video into black and white, we have to navigate to the effects and in the search bar type in and find an effect black and white. Just drag and drop this black and white effect on the video in the timeline. And then you can see that the video becomes black and white. Okay. Now, one additional tip is if you navigate here to Lumetri Color and under Color and Light settings, you can play around with these settings, play around with these sliders and see what suits best for your project. So you may want to adjust contrast to enhance the detail on black and white, just basically give a bit more sharpness to the colors, and also do the highlights, shadows, and so on. So feel free to play around with these settings and see what makes your video stand out the most. And this is it. This is how you turn the video into black and white using Premiere Pro. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.